Now did you know that pictures are used as a messenger to carry out a message to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy. As our fine private friends give shows awesome tricks, amazing songs, guest participation, and important environmental message. As this show is all about conservation, education, and entertainment. Now are you ready to be amazed with our fine private friends? Yes! This is what will you do, buddy? You picked up a beer can and walked all the way. Hey, what will you do? Open the bin and shove it inside. Good bird. Next one, amigo. Next one, buddy. You picked up a plastic cup and walked all the way and open the bin again and then shove it inside. Good bird. How about the golf ball again? Alright, buddy. You're good to go. Open the bin and shove it inside. Wow. Now, if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So we cannot stop waste production entirely, but every one of us can make a significant contribution. So think before you bin. It saves energy and natural resources. It also helps reduce the need for landfill because we here in Cebu strongly believe that cleanliness next to cleanliness. Now everyone, we go together in this kind of friends is something to tell us. What do you want to say, amigo? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Print Shop. Together is a zebra. Good bird, we picked up the letter B, alright. Now we're down to the fourth letter, jungle. Fourth letter, he picked up the letter R. Now what is the last letter, buddy? Last letter is the letter A. Wow. Now zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Well, it seems to be easy for Jumbo. Now let's make it more difficult. So after the spelling test, we will be having the mathematics test. Now let me know. I want to choose two numbers from 9. So 7 plus 9. Hey Jumbo, what is 7 plus 9? Okay, it's a secret for now. Now Mr. Ian, what is Jumbo's favorite food? What makes him smart?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Alright, Jumbo loves a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Now kids, don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies because it will make you smart just like our bird Jumbo. And Mr. Ryan, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu.
Jumbo studied at the University of Cebu Safari. Okay, now we're all set. What is 7 plus 9, Jumbo? It's addition, alright? So think carefully. 7 plus 9. You ready? Okay, first number, you picked up the number 1. Now let's see the second number. What's the second number, buddy? Wow, the second number, he picked up the number 6. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Or on plus or grading, Mahoney John. First, alright, come on, buddy. Say kangaroo. Oh, again. Kangaroo. Oh, good word. How about cat? Again, cat. Again, bark. Wow, you hear that? How about somebody? Somebody. Good bird. How about this one? Oh, good bird. Now, Miss Janice, I've heard that Lan and Rudy has a hidden talent. What is it?
Yes, they love to sing.
Huh? They love to sing.
Yes, but before they sing, they need to warm up first.
Wow, just like any other singers do. Let's do the warm up, alright? Alright, let's do the warm up. Ready?
La 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 la. Again. La 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 la.
Wow, I guess they're ready for the first song. Guys, ready?
Do the first song. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, yeah.
I love you more than I can.
Say again. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
I love you more than I can.
Happy birthday song. How about let's sing our two?
Wait, one more.
Sing the birthday. Happy birthday. Good. Happy birthday. Sing happy birthday. Come on, one more time. Happy birthday. Wait, Rudy. Sintonado daw ka. Okay, let's do it.
Alright, happy birthday to you with a crazy number of Lani and Ruby. A round of applause for you.
How good he is at catching his food. Are you ready, Mr. J? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our flaming hawk eagle named Hunter. There you go, he flies in and catches the lure and landed to the tree. So Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species, threatened by habitat loss. Now their diet, they love to eat small mammals or reptiles and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. And there you go, he catches a lure. As you have observed, Hunter is very protective of his food because he let his wings cover his prey so nobody could steal it. Now Mr. Iron has the real food and the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. As you have observed, Mr. Iron is using a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. Now in the wild they can live 15 years and in captivity they can live up to 30 years.